Hi guys! Welcome back to Elton Unlimited Creativity and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget that subscribe button over down there and click the notification bell na rin para maging updated kayo sa aking mga latest posts. Hi guys! Welcome back to Elton Unlimited Creativity and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget that subscribe button over down there and click the notification bell na rin para maging updated kayo sa aking mga latest posting, mga kaartihan at kanong mga kaibigan sa buhay. And today, I'm going to show you the packages that I did para sa aking mga talking mask na talagang one of my client had appreciated it. My nostalgic effect daw. But for me naman kasi I was in the generation na talagang tumatanggap tayo ng letters from abroad and may mga stamps and we usually go to the post office kung magpapadala tayo ng liham. Unlike today na nasa internet lang, you're in front of your mobile, in front of your PC and then susulat ka lang. Dati kasi in our time, talagang mano-mano yung pagsusulat na ng dear, blah blah blah. How are you doing? Kumusta ka na? And I love this kind of stuff before. I even had this opportunity to have many pen friends across the world. Like I have pen friends from the US, and until now I still have one who is we are keeping in touch, and she got married already and she made it to the army. I also have friends in the UK, in London, and all over the US. I have one in Illinois, I have one in South Carolina, I also have one in California, and everywhere else because nung mga high school pa lang kami, nagpapa-enroll kami or nagpapa-publish kami ng aming name sa isang student exchange parang mail, tapos sinusulat namin yung mga pangalan namin doon that we want to have pen friends from across the globe. And then after nung ma-publish na yung name namin, and then mga ilang buwan may dumadating na nasulat na making friends for us. So yun yung mga long time. That was like I was in high school, and then that was a great experience actually. So I'm just relieving, or parang I just want to make the feeling of doing it again. So papakita ko sa inyo ang mga ginawa kong mga mails with the touch of old something. So here we go guys. So I have here a white envelope, and I also printed out some stamps which I got from the internet. So there are some choices, there are so many choices over the internet na pwede mong i-print na mukhang stamps. I also have these cute little ones. Ang iba na post ko na or na-idikit ko na. So first things first, we have to make a cutout or hihiwain natin or make slice in the stamps. So sundan lang natin yung outline ng stamps. And so gumawa lang tayo ng maybe 3x3 cutouts stamps natin. So sa mga bata dyan, be careful if you're doing this. You can ask assistance or guidance from any adult kasi medyo matulis yung blade or cutter na ginagamit natin in case you want to do this kind of stuff. Ayan. So I'm going to get back to the white envelope, tapos tatanggalin ko na sa sticker paper ang stamps. Ayan, that's an envelope you can see. Okay. So I'm going to remove the sticker, the cutout sticker, and then I will put it in place one by one. Parang stamp talaga, like the way we did before the post offices. So for those of you who haven't tried this one, this is what we did long time ago, and this experience is very amazing. Whenever we send the letters to our friends, kahit sa kabilang ibayo lang, sa kabilang municipality or provincia, this is what we do. We go to the post office, we buy stamps, and then we post it individually or we post it as a whole. Depende na kung anong gusto nyong gawin. Ayan. So, stamps before are priced. Depende kung ilan. May 1 peso, 2 pesos, may 5 pesos, may 15 pesos. Depende sa padadala nyo. And before, I used to send letters to my ninong in the US, and siguro may around 20 to 30 pesos yung worth ng stamps, at napakarami. At minsan nilalawayan pa namin to make it stick on the envelope. So yan. So to make it look like and feel like it's like a stamp from the different post offices, kasi ang mangyayari kasi dito, pag you normal na magpapadala ka ng sulat, it will go to different post offices at may iba-ibang tatak. So the purpose of the stamp on the stamps is para hindi na siya magamit ng susunod. Kasi pag walang stamp, it will be good as new. Pwede siyang gamitin. So, ganyan yung mangyayari sa mga post offices. Nilalagyan yan ng stamp. So, for this one, I'll just write my my brand, the talking mask. So, mukhang ano lang siya, mukhang inistampan lang siya. Ayan. So, I also put another look-alike stamp sa babang parte naman ng envelope. Ayan. So, ganyan, char ganyan. Ching, ganon. Ayan. Wave. So, lingin, or circle. And then, I'm gonna put the date, 30 June of 2020. That's it. So, it looks like a letter. And it's stamped and went through all those post offices. So meron din siyang special na lines, parang barcode sa letters, and I observed this sa mga international na mga letters na natatanggap ko before. So we'll just put it right there. See? Very simple. Lines. And before, when we used to buy envelopes, may nakalagay dyan na par avion. Par avion means airmail. Oh. Ayan. So, ayan na mangyayari. So, lalagyan na lang natin ng sticker na the talking mask. Ayan. So, dinagdagan ko din ng mga stamps. Yung mga visa stamps sa passport, kinat out ko lang tapos dinikit-dikit ko. So that it would look like it has been through different countries around the globe. Ayan na yung mga sample natin. So, diba ang ganda? I have Italy, I have Belgium. So, parang ganun. Parang ang ganda ng feel. Very nostalgic, ika nga ng aking client who had received her the Talking Mask series. Ayan. So, ayan na yung mga nagawa ko kay Miss Hayden. Ayan, Miss Emmy. We also have one for N. And there's another one for She. And another one for Chito. Ayan, nilagyan ko lang ng mga pangalan yan. Mga hindi naman totoong address yan. Ayan, Antya. Ayan, Dubai. Free of charge. City of Gold. Land of Great Opportunity. Gertie. Ayan, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Hazel Molina. Ayan. Marami tayong ginawa. Tsaka for delivery na rin ng mga papers na to. Tingnan nyo, parang totoo, di ba? Yung pagka-crumpled niya, parang dumaan talaga siya sa mga iba't ibang postal destination bago nakarating sa may-ari. But in fact, sa akin lang yan. Nilagay ko lang yan sa box, nilabas, para yung mga kulot-kulot niya ay parang mukhang to. Ayan, this is one for my Beshi Ella or Ancilio. And this one for Miss Hazel Molina who ordered like 8 pieces of talking mask. Ayan na po yung mga pictures natin. Marami-rami na po sila. Ayan, thank you all guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Elton Unlimited Creativity, para sa mga iba't ibang artworks at iba't ibang mga kaartihan na isi-share ko para sa inyo. Don't forget to click that notification bell also para maging updated kayo sa aking mga latest videos. At marami tayong pagsasaluhan at marami pa tayong gagawing mga artworks. Me, you, and the rest of the world. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the show and hope you feel what I felt with this nostalgic packages for the Talking Mask. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.